Hello guys, welcome back to my channel's English for Beginners with Priyanka. So guys, today I wanna share with you some tips. I know that lots of beginners who wants to learn English, but they think how they can start. They have no idea. When I started learning English, that time also I faced lots of difficulty because that time I didn't have idea how can I start learning English. So guys, I know that lots of beginners, lots of English learner who wants to learn English, so they always think how they can start learning English. Today I am making this video for you, and guys, please watch this video till the end. So guys, without any further ado, let's begin. So I would like to share with you my first tips. My first tips is basic grammar. I am not talking about advanced grammar. I am talking about only basic grammars. Basic grammar means you can say where we can use like present tense, past tense, and future tense. Only basic, only simple tense means as example do, does, did, will. If you have idea about this do, does, did, and will, so you can create, you can create question and you can give answer. You are a beginner and you want to learn English, so first of all you will have to focus your basic grammar. You know that what is your level, and then you can start. And so guys, basic grammar is very important. And I'm not talking about that yeah, modals, yeah, other things. Yeah, you should be idea only basic grammar. And so it is my first tips. And my second tips is, listening. I have told my several video about listening. Guys, without listening, how we can conversation. So listening is very important. If you listen, so you can create question, you can give answer. After listening we can learn. You know that listening is very important key of this learning English. Not only learning this language, English language, if you want to learn other language, so first of all you will have to listen more and more. When you will listen, so then you can create question, then you can give answer. So this is my second tips, listening. And my third tips is, speaking. So I will not say that you should start speaking long sentence. Yeah, you should start conversation any partner, and you think you started thinking I don't have a partner, so how can I talk? No guys, if you are a beginner, so you no need to any partner. First of all you will have to, you know create environment yourself. You will have to ask question yourself, then you will have to give answer yourself. Guys, when I started learning English, so that time I was thinking I don't have any partner, so how can I talk? But at that time I didn't know about grammar. Already my grammar was zero. If you have watched my video, so I have told my several video when I started learning English, so that time I could not able to speak a single word in English language. So guys, that's why I am saying, if you have idea basic grammar, so you can create answer, you can create question and answer yourself. I mean, you can start speaking yourself. You can take any tense. If I talk about present tense, so you present simple tense, so you know very well that we use do, does, only do and does. Okay, you don't think other present continuous tense, present perfect tense. You don't think about these things. You should think only present simple tense. Then you can ask a question in Hindi language, because you are a beginner, so you don't ask yourself English to English. I know it's would be quite difficult in earlier phase. So you can speak like मैं जाता हूँ, I go. क्या तुम जाते हो? डू यू गो? हाँ मैं जाता हूँ, यस आई गो. क्या तुम खाते हो? डू यू ईट? यस मैं खाता हूँ, आई ईट। क्या वह स्कूल जाता है, डज ही गो टू स्कूल। when you will use does, so that time you will have to use go, that time you will not use goes. so क्या वह स्कूल जाता है या क्या वह स्कूल जाती है, so does she go to school, so then you can give answer yourself. हाँ वह स्कूल जाती है, yes she goes to school. अगर वह स्कूल नहीं जाती है, so you can say no she doesn't go to school. Then you can say no she doesn't go to school. That time you will have to use does. So you can take only present tense. मैं जाता हूँ, I go. मैं खाता हूँ, I eat. मैं सोता हूँ, I sleep. वह जाती है, she goes. वह स्कूल जाती है, she goes to school. This type of question and answer you can create yourself, and these same things you can apply your past tense. क्या तुम स्कूल गए थे, did you go to school, या क्या तुम कल स्कूल जाओगे, will you go to school. हाँ मैं कल स्कूल जाऊँगा, yes I will go to school tomorrow. So then if you have idea only basic grammar, I am saying again and again because I faced this problem, that's why guys. Also I have been learning English, I am not perfect in this language, also I am learning. Then I thought I should share with you, and it is my third. And fourth is, when you able to speak, that time that if you are a student, yeah, if you are a businessman, yeah, you are a working person, so you don't have a time in a day. So whenever you go to your bed, so that time you can think what did you do in your entire day. You can speak in a only simple present tense. Okay guys, you can use only simple present tense. That means as example, I wake up early in the morning, and after that I take lukewarm water and I walk. Yeah, this is a only present simple tense, guys. And if you, then you can speak and you can think. Yeah, if you have a mirror, so you can stand, yeah, you can sit front of mirror, then you can speak according to you. And my last tips, I wanna share with you only 4 tips, but I will share with you 5 tips. My 5 tips is, if you able to speak, so you can download any app. That nowadays lots of app available on social media, on Play Store. You can download easily any Play Store, and audio call, recording any app, and then you can talk easily any person, because you have idea how you can talk any person, how you can ask question, how you can give answer. So it is a very good thing. I would like to share with you one important part, this learning English. Practice is very important, guys. I know very well. Without practice you can't learn this language. If you are thinking, okay, I will speak 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, it's enough. No guys, whenever you have a time, so you should try to think, you should try to speak, and practice, and as well as consistency, guys. And you are a beginner, you are a serious, you want to learn this language, so initial time, you will have to practice, and every day, and consistency is very important. Yeah, if you started speaking very well, then you can choose partner, then you can start talking with partner as a video call, yeah, as a face to face. But that if you are a beginner, you don't have idea, so I will say that you not need to any partner in a earlier. If you are always think I don't have a partner so I can't learn English, so no, you are thinking wrong. You can learn English yourself. Guys, it is very easy. So uh, so guys, it was my 5 tips for you.